Likewise, the prosecution, having established the guilt beyond reasonable doubt of the following accused who are found to have acted as accessories, namely Police Inspector Michael Joy Macaraeg, PO3 Felix Enyate, PO3 Abibuddin Abdul Ghani, PO3 Rasid Anton, PO2 Hamad Nana, PO2 Saudi Pasutan, PO2 Saudiar Ula, PO1 Esprielito Leharso, PO1 Narcook Maskud, PO1 Pia Camidon, PO1 Esmael Gialal, PO1 Arnulfo Soriano, PO1 Heritage Amaba, a member of the 1508 PMG, Police Senior Inspector Abdul Gapor Abad and Bong Andal. They are hereby convicted and sentenced to suffer the indeterminate penalty of imprisonment of 6 years of prisión correccional as minimum to 10 years and 8 months of prisión mayor as maximum.